Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. We are in series 8 of our 5 below affordable perfumes, y'all. So I have done 6 and 7. Now we're in 8 and I still have the same clothes on. So if you see 6 and you see 7, you know that, and now you see 8, you know that I have recorded. I am recording. I feel like I'm in a recording mood because I want to get these perfumes out to you guys because I have been MIA, y'all, and I want to get them out. That way I can be able to relax, okay? I have so many more perfumes I need to do, and it's so many that I just need to film back to back. I need to film back to back. So, Series 7 was very disappointing to me. And I can smell it a little bit now, but still it's no good, okay? It's no good to me. You'll know what I'm talking about if you go to Series 7. But Series 6 is beautiful, okay? Still smell it, honey. And we talking about it's been hours later and I still smell it. It's not as strong as it was, but I still smell it and it's hours later, okay? So this next one I do have now. Five Below be having like perfumes that's duping Victoria's Secret, Britney Spears, Paris Hilton, Beyonce, Billie Eilish, K.I.Lee. I mean, they are duping so many people, y'all. On so many houses, okay? And I'm with it. Some of them you may have hit and miss, but you may have some hit and miss, but I mean, they blind buys and they $5, but what can you expect? Now, in Series 7, that one that I sprayed, which is the So Very Seductive, So Very Sexy. I did this one. This is the one I said was a very bad, very bad. So I have it masquerading back there. I'm gonna let it masquerade for about a month, and y'all guys remind me to go back within a month to smell it to see if it's done something, because this smelled like alcohol. This was a no to me, okay? And usually I don't have none of my Five Belows. I'll be like, we ain't even gonna just have no type of logic with it at all. This was a no for me, straight no. Okay, so today we have the Mysterious Rock. And this one, Mysterious Rock, I have my notes down here, guys. My notes is right here. This is a dupe for, it says Mysterious by Mirage, inspired by Rock of Femme Fantasy by Britney Spears. So this is what the box looks like. I try not to unbox them until I can let you know what, that way I can let you know what it smells like. I want it to smell it together, if it's okay, okay? So with this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll give you the notes. I'll give you the notes to the Britney Spears ones first. Let's just do that. Give you the notes to the Britney Spears one first. I think that's fair enough, because then, you know, yeah, we'll do that. The Rock of Femme Fantasy by Britney Spears is a floral, fruity gourmand fragrance for women. Rock of Femme Fantasy was launched in 2014. Top notes are whipped cream, coconut, and blackberry. Middle notes are gardenia, violet, and jasmine. Base notes are vanilla, cashmere wood, musk, and amber. So I'm excited to smell this because they do have some notes that I really like. I really like notes that's like that. So let's go ahead on and unbox it. This right here, y'all hear it. I love it. This right here is a 3.4 ounce, which that is 100 ml. Y'all, they give you them ounces now. They give you a big bottle. So this is what it looks like. I'm excited because when I saw it, I thought the bottle was really cute. This bottle is really cute. Britney Spears, if you know, she is very famous for her bottles. Now, I have done the videos on some of her bottles, and honey, you know, she usually have rhinestones. So I rhinestone my bottles. I have bottles that, you know, they didn't come with rhinestones, but I rhinestone my bottles, and I will rhinestone this one as well. So let's go ahead on and get into this. This is the top right here. Y'all hear it? Okay. So what I want to do is go ahead on and get into the notes of this one right here before I smell it. That way I can know what to look forward to. So the notes the top notes in here are coconut and blackberry, same thing. The middle notes are gardenia, violet, and jasmine. Base notes are vanilla, cashmere wood, musk, and amber. And that is for the Mysterious Rock. Now, they went to a T with these notes. So, let's see if we smell this in here. So, let's go ahead on and spray. Get this sprayer out, baby. Let me go it on. And spray. Here we go. I'm generously spraying. Ooh, this smells good. Oh, this smells good. Ooh, this smells good, y'all. Oh, this smells good. I gotta spray this on my skin. Hold on. Let me spray this on my skin. I definitely need to spray this on my skin. Oh, this smells so good. Let's go ahead and spray it on the wrist. Get the wrist done. Oh my goodness. Yes, baby. Sorry, y'all. I don't know why this turning. Yes, this smells. Oh, I smell vanilla. Y'all know I'm a vanilla girl. I can smell vanilla in a corner, sitting in a corner, honey, somewhere. It could be in the corner. It could be around a corner somewhere. If it's vanilla, I smells it. Oh, this smells so fruity. Oh my goodness, I smell the coconut, y'all. I smell coconut. It smells powdery though. A lot of perfumes I noticed from the Five Below be like, has that powdery type of, but this is musky, like powdery. This really smells good, y'all. I would wear this. It's like a floral. When they say like a gourmand far as the Britney Spears one, I can believe it is, because this smells really good. I think that this will last you a little bit. It will last you, you know, probably about maybe 2 hours, I think. This smells really good. It smells floral. It smells really good. I would figure you to wear. You can date night with this. You can date night. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I love them. Just like I did the Mysterious Beach. The Mysterious Beach, baby. It sits, and when it sits and masquerade, it sits and it gets stronger and stronger, y'all. So I can appreciate it. And then I had got this one right here. This one I think I had got from this Mysterious Glitter. I think I had got this from another store. This smells amazing too. I just love Britney Spears. Her bottles is just so wonderful, y'all. Her bottles, you know, you can appreciate it. This is her signature here, the bottles. I love them. And this right here, this smells really good. This is so powdery and fruity. I can't describe rather, you know, what type of fruity it is, but it smells really, really good. They say blackberries. I don't know if that's a blackberry. It may be a blackberry, but I can't get it. Let me go back to the notes of what they said it was. They said that it had whipped cream. So it smells creamy. I smell the smell of vanilla, you know. I smell that. So let me get back to the notes. And let's see. It says whipped cream. I smell vanilla. It smells warm. Oh my goodness, keep moving, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This smells warm. It has the coconut and blackberry. The middle notes is gardenia. I don't smell gardenia, but I do smell the violet and the jasmine. It has the cashmere, wood, musk. Yes, the wood and the musk and the amber I smell. This really smells good, y'all. I would buy this. I would buy this. I wouldn't hesitate to buy it. This smells really good. I would enjoy this, okay? But I would layer this one. And I would layer this one with some more vanilla. That's what I would do, with some more vanilla. Because this, I think this in my, let me see. This in, oh yes. This right here in the Eclair, it would smell really good together. This, and also I have some other fragrances that it will smell good with, that you can layer it with. But I mean, when it comes down to layering, you have to try out, you know, everything to see, you know, what it would go with. Like if you have whipped cream, coconut, and blackberry, you want to mix something that's similar to it, you know, that has those notes in it. You can mix this with a Bath and Body Works fragrance, maybe a tropical one if you want to, or something gourmand. It depends on what you what you want to, you know, mix it with. If you want it more warmer, then you mix it with a vanilla, with a gourmand. If you want it more fruity, then you mix it with a floral fruity or something like that, or fruity gourmand. But this smells really good. And when it dry and when it dries down more, it gets more sweeter. It is sweet. I want you to know it is sweet. But it smells really good. This is something that I can tolerate. I really do like this. So this is from Five Below, y'all. And it's a 100 ml bottle. And it smells really good. Really good. So I'm glad that we have a winner with this. So yeah, get your hands on it, baby. Get your hands on it. Give me just a second. Okay, guys. Yes. This smells really, really good. I think that it could have more coconut in it, though. I smell a little bit of coconut, but I think that it could have more coconut in it. Definitely more coconut. I would appreciate it if it had more. If it had more of the coconut in it, that would really, really be nice. And as far as the woodsy notes, I smell it. It smells really, really good, y'all. Really good. Really good. So anyway, y'all, get your hands on this if you want to. Okay, it's affordable. It's $5 at Five Below, and it smells really good. It smells really good. But I noticed that a lot of their perfumes that they are duping from Britney Spears, you know, these are her signature bottles. They smell so good. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead on and get out of here. I just wanted to let you guys know that, honey, Britney Spears, Five Below, they got it going on. Okay. All right, guys. So you already know, like J Baby says. Oh, before I say anything, y'all, about be blessed, be blessed and not stressed, subscribe to my channel, y'all, please. Share these videos, please. Okay. Push the like button, please. Okay. All of the pleases, do those. Okay. All right, y'all. So you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.